this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice space white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul, bed utility package, and the FX4 off-road package. We do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with the lovely Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got an outlet here, you can turn your lighting on or off, hooks and doodads hold your gear down, nice little measurement system here as well, and it does come down automatically. So let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff in your hand and you want to lift up your gate, all you have to do is just knee it up and it will go up automatically for you. Got mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board on each side with mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight in, turn light indicated, and moving to the front we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system with floor mats, carpet interior. You got cup holders, storage, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. You can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and then we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, that B&O sound system, auto stop assert lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 82 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions, gauges, off-road towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with tons of storage outlets, wireless charging, cup holders. It does close. Got that interior work surface, so you can put your laptop here, your paperwork, your food, totally up to you. Got some storage here as well. Drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel, dual climate, some outlets on the side here as well, upper and lower storage, as well as storage on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, park sensing that you can turn on or off, hail assist, and Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. Got your traction and hazards right here, as well as a 360 view of your vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB28175, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.